Greetings folks from Daytona Vintage. This is Daytona Phil coming to you. We're going to demonstrate a Chinon Whisper Dual 8 movie projector. Plays 8 and Super 8mm films. I have an old Super 8mm film in here. This film is from the 60s. It's the beautiful Cypress Gardens. We're going to go ahead and play a little bit for you. Show you this fine, quiet projector in action here. Here we go. Get the lights off. Nice image. And while we're running, we'll stop it, put it in reverse for you. Still nice and quiet. And that, my friends, is the Chinon Whisper Dual 8. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.